Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that Natalie bought 500 apples at 40 cents each. And the first question actually asks, how much is the cost price? Meaning how much did she pay for these 500 apples? So, one apple is 40 cents, 500 apples, we multiply, and that gives me $200. Next, the question also informed us that she threw away n number of apples. Threw away means later on we must minus away this apple. Okay? That's why later on you would see me minusing n from the 500 because we have thrown it away. And the remaining apples, these remaining apples, which is 500 minus n, she actually sell it at 70 cents each. And so, find the amount she received from selling the apples. We got the remaining apples times the cost of selling price of each apple, and that will give me this. Okay, we multiply 70 cents in, multiply 70 cents in, and that will give me this expression. Part C explain clearly how you will form an inequality, given that this is the most important thing. She did not make a loss. Okay? So in this case, we know that there is no loss, so it must either be a positive value or $0 when we have the selling price minus the cost price. Okay? So this also tells me that the selling price must be more than or equal to the total cost. And therefore, this will be one possible answer when I minus the selling price and the selling price minus the total, the cost price, it must be bigger or equals to 0. So that either I break even or I earn some money. Okay? And after which, you simplify a little bit lah. So part D then require us to continue to solve this inequality. And I add 200 on both sides, so it will lead me to this, after which I minus 350 on both sides, so that left hand side no more equals to 0, only left with negative 0.7, and the right hand side is negative 150. Do take note the change in sign because I actually divide by a negative number. Change in sign because I divide by a negative number. And that will give me 214, 2 over 7. And the way to write the final answer, please write down the n as well. So what's the maximum number, of rotten apples for this n? N must be less than or equals to 214, 2 over 7. So the maximum will be 214. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.